Hello to everyone. Today I will show you how to make custom dialog on Android mobile development. Custom dialog is different type of the standard dialog. We only use two layouts for making it. First one, it is only our activity page, and the second one, it is making for our custom dialog. If you are ready, let's start. Custom dialog should use the notify user or check the user's wish, such as do you want to continue or do you want to pay for this. Also, custom dialog is more beautiful than standard dialog. We can make it all our design style. This lessons I will show you just a small dialog. If you know how to use the layout design, you can make it more beautiful for yourself. First of all, we are start to layout page. You can see our layout page. We have two layout page. First one, main layout and custom layout. First layout has only one button. You can see our window on your computer window, and the second one, custom dialog layout. This page has two buttons and one image view. Image view has a image, and there are two texts we have with it. First one has success text, and the second one Turkish language a text, only text. I don't know how to translate. Sorry. You should this layout page right to your layout page, and we are going to now pass to activity page. Also, you should look up to buttons ID. First one button has higher button ID has, and the second one button has ID is event button. Let's start the activity page. You can see the activity page now. You should check the up our page. First of all, we have two global variable. It is button. There are button for calling in our activity and dialog, and I have named it dialog. After that, I call it our button at our first layout page. After that, you can see the dialog, how to use it. First of all, dialog has called in our main activity. After that, dialog requires window filter. No title. I should write this for I should write this our page. After that, set cancelable false. This is for our dialog make to cancelable for our users. And send content we have. Send content we have has layout custom dialog. This is the second one dialog. Lastly, set our background drivable transparent. We are going to down. I have told you our layout has two buttons that named higher button and evet button. Higher button, I have called him, but there is a different as activity page on standard activity page. You can see the dialog dot find VA by ID, not only find VA by ID. After that, I'm triggered our buttons and start to write. On click situation in toss message has and dialog dismiss. Dialog dismiss, it makes our dialog dismiss. I'm gonna make it the second button, evet buton that ID. And lastly, show dialog button. It has dialog show. It makes our dialog visible. After that, let's start our debugging for making our code is beautiful, works. You can see the results, our code. Here, our code works completely fine. You know anymore how to make custom dialog. I'm glad for you, but you maybe wish to add your animation for custom dialog. If you have such an idea, you need to watch this video. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.